Good morning. Uh, this is a beautiful place where I am sitting, and I wanted to visit in these Christmas holidays with my friends, my daughter's friends, and families, and everyone. The wild black buck sanctuary, which is only available near Velavadar, and only in the Velavadar there are around 5,000 black bucks. So I wanted to visit that sanctuary, and in order to visit that sanctuary I wanted to find a place nearby to stay. And after doing some research and doing some mind work, I came across the palace of the ruling prince of the state of Bhavnagar, and I contacted him, and he was kind enough to offer me all the rooms which he had in the palace. So today I am introducing to you the Nilambag Palace in Bhavnagar. It's a beautiful property, if you can see, and it's in a much wider aspect with all the gardens. The colonial building is more than 170 years old, and it was built at that time with the taking help of Italian architects in 1820s or 1850s. Around this building was erected. You can see the landscape, and this place is around 40 kilometers from Velavadar. So keeping the group here and taking for the morning safaris in the jungle was the right spot. You can see the vastness of this place. There were different gardens and different ways, and you can feel the atmosphere. The morning is really good, and you can feel the entire experience of having a complete peaceful seclusive over here. I will take you to the palace. We go, please. The cannons of the old time, small wars were played at those times. These are the small cannons used in the battle. And we'll come inside. You can show the palace. This is the main entrance with the symbolic emblem of the Gohil Samrajya. The Yuvraj, the erring prince, is from Gohil dynasty. So this is his symbol of Gohil dynasty. This is the sitting hall. You can see the sitting arrangements with all the paintings and everything. You can have a look. You? Okay. We can come here. This is the beautiful inner section. You can find the place where there is a fountain. At night, the fountain is there, and you can see all the different rooms of the families of their dynasty staying here. It shows the paintings, different kinds of paintings here, hand painted all very elegantly. You can show the crockeries of more than 200 years old by Mappin and Webb Company. Dark. Okay, no problem. And this is the dining section. where the guests can have their breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's a huge hall and multiple by another hall over there. So it's a huge palace, huge property, and very elegantly built. You can feel the carvings of the sagwood, beautiful Airavat. Airavat is the historic elephant from India. This is the Airavat which is built from the sagwood. That is the toughest wood found, which doesn't decay even in rains or water or anything. It's a beautiful piece of architecture. All the architects and effects are beautiful. You can take around the palace. The 150 years old lift is there, beautifully maintained. The backyard comprises of the parking area and the parking slot, plus an old outhouse which is having a beautiful view and a beautiful satire. You can enjoy the seclusion for writing books or thinking much. That's the best place to stay. It's an old house. The sitting area with a small hillock. You can come closer and have a look at the Jhula Nave. Have the swing over here. Very elegant swing. You can enjoy sitting here. An elegant palace, ancient one, not that much of age yet, around 170 years old built, beautiful architectural design in those times and kept well, maintained well during the times of more than a century. You can come, go to the front gate.
હા હા આવે જ છે
The mornings are beautiful and evenings are beautiful. So the Yuvraj Singh was very courteous and he was kind enough, down to earth personality. I met him twice. Yesterday also I met him, day before yesterday. And all the guests are happy and all the people are, staff, the food, everything is excellent. I would like to visit this place whenever I can, again and again, because the wildlife Black Buck Sanctuary is just 40 kilometers from here. So if you want to visit wildlife Black Buck Sanctuary, this is the right place to have a courtesy visit. And if it is there, you can request them. You can also have a room and enjoy your stay over here. This is Zoiba Pass from Velavadar in Bhavnagar, from Bhavnagar, near Velavadar, from Gujarat. Thank you. Band kar, red button dabai.